Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be talking a little bit about a kind of a touchy-feely subject inside of the hair system world, and that is about how hair systems look to each individual person. Now, if you don't know, pretty much every hair system out there is actually hand knotted. It's knotted by a physical person in another part of the world, which means that no matter what hair system you get, there's always going to be some slight variation to it. You're never going to get the same exact hair system, and you'll talk to people that are more seasoned inside of the space, and you'll get to find out that they like some hair systems more than others. The one they had before was better than the one that they have now, and the current one is better than the one before. You know, there's always this kind of toss-up of what you're going to get when it comes to hair systems. It's very hard to do quality control on hand knotting. Now, that being said, there is a lot of differentiation between individuals and what they like from their hair system, what they believe is the best look for them. You will find people that are ultra realist, meaning like they want like an extremely real hairline. They don't want a lot of hair to be there, to have a diffused kind of look to it. And then there's others that kind of want more hair up front that makes them feel more secure. Now, of course, it's not up to me to say which one of these is right or which one is wrong or what's right for any ethnicity. It's simply just a statement that different people prefer different looks. The reason that I'm making this video is because I've received a couple emails from an individual who has been going back and forth between different manufacturers, basically between Lord Hair and Levivid, which we're going to see, and felt that Levivid was not giving him a good quality product because of something about the hairline. Well, he felt better with Lord Hair and the product that he got, and I will show you these in a second. Now, it's not for me to say which one is better or worse. It is simply up for you to decide which one is better for you, your condition, your hairstyle that you want, what you want to look like, all of this stuff in between. So I wanted to just show you what I think versus what he thinks, and it's perfectly fine. There's no right or wrong here. He's not right, I'm not right. It's just a difference of opinion. So this right here is the first hair system that this gentleman got. This is from Levivid Hair, and as you can see right here, there is some thinness. Now, Levivid has claimed that this is a diffused hairline, and this is part of their hair system. The gentleman that's wearing this hair system feels it is a bald spot. Now, it's not up to me to determine which is right or wrong, if this is the good look or the bad look or anything in between. But he did not feel satisfied with this. He felt that it was a bald spot, that it was impossible to brush his hair back, which apparently is the style that he wanted, and just didn't feel comfortable with it. I think that's the main issue, that diffuse look right there he was not comfortable with. And then that's understandable, apparently that's not what he wants, and that's okay. Now, on the other side, this is the opposite of that, so up here, he said, what a difference Lord Hair is in comparison to Levivid. From Levivid, I got almost no hair in the front line, and it looks with bald spots. They say they would replace it, but I'm from Costa Rica, and sending back the system is $100. Getting a new one would cost another $100. I had to pay $100 in taxes on the first one, and we'll pay again for the second one. Levivid screws up. They should just send another for free, and I will dump in the garbage the first one. We are a prestigious salon, and will not try to lie to get more systems. My clients are unhappy. Hey, now I'm not saying that this is right or wrong, that one is better than the other. This is up for you to decide in which you feel comfortable using. I have my personal preference here, but I've found that Lord Hair units that I've tried, I haven't tried them all, so take that with a grain of salt too. But generally, Lord Hair units, they can be more dense in the hairline. I haven't tried one of their lighter density units to compare, but I have seen inside of Levivid that sometimes there is more diffusion in the front hairline. I think that my current unit is looking pretty good. It's getting old now. It's probably close to 2 months old, so it's seen some wear and tear. I do a lot in my hair systems, wear it every single day, and I kind of burn through them kind of quick. I need to actually learn how to save them a little bit longer. But anyways, I find that Levivid does have a little bit more diffusion inside of their hairlines. So, not to determine which is right or wrong, but for me, I think a little bit more diffusion is more desirable just in my personal preference. Not trying to say that you should have the same preference as I, not that one is better than the other, they're just different from what I've seen in the way that they're constructed and the look that you ultimately get. Different strokes for different different strokes for different folks. So I just wanted to give you guys this as an example, not to call this person out, which I really hope they're not offended by me sharing this, because I did try to protect their anonymity by not showing any of their face or anything like that. But I hope that this video shows you that there's no right way to go about doing this. There is only the way that you feel most comfortable, and you need to try different things, experiment with different things, see what look is best for you, the hairstyle that you want, what's your natural, genetic hair, and how the hair system match up, all that kind of fun stuff. So kind of simple video today, just some thoughts on how it's really all personal choice. There's no right or wrong here. And don't listen to people that are calling you out online or calling other people out about what is right and wrong for them. This is a very personal thing, and I guarantee it, like take it from me, as someone who's